Hey everybody, Libby from C Chats here. I'm going to show you how to quickly create an eBay newsletter for your buyers or buyer groups. Okay. Because it is a great way to, get your items in front of people, promote a coupon, promote a sale, show off new items. All right, so let's get there. All right, so here's how you are going to get there is you are going to go to my eBay selling, little drop down on top, and Seller Hub. Once you're in Seller Hub, you're going to go to your store. You're going to drop down and you're going to go to store newsletter. And I'm going to show you that. Okay, here we go. Store. You can see and store newsletter. And that's going to take me to the page I'm on right now. All right. And you can see I have some campaigns. I've been playing with a lot of different things in there, but let's go ahead and create a campaign. And that is how you get started. I'm going to choose, you can see you can highlight your new products and collections, maybe a coupon you have running, a sale event, an order discount, volume pricing, any of those things. All right. And then you hit next. All right. And there you can see it will let you select your recipients. I'm not really sending this one. Let's say I just select everyone, right? But you can select, who it recommends. You can do your followers. You can change the wording, like they put in some wording for you and have some suggestions there. And all right, and then you can hit the next button. And you can attach an active discount. Let's say I wanted to highlight our 50% off flash sale. All right, look, and it grabs all of the items and it puts them in there. You can go ahead and you can curate those items if you want. You can put a personalized message in. They suggest one. I always personalize that, but you don't have to. I think it's more important that you play with this and just get it going. All right. And down here, this is a question we often get is you can manually select your listings, right? If you don't like what it's popping up there or the specific pictures or whatever, you can go ahead and you can do that and you can select your listings and add them. All right. So I'm going to turn that off so you can see the next step. I'm just going to go with what they suggest. And you can schedule an email. It is recommended that you just do on these a one-time email. You don't use the automated delivery options. That is from eBay themselves. I'm not making that up. All right. And you get a chance to review the email before you launch the campaign. So you can see who I've selected to receive it, what the subject line is, and the schedule date. All right. So that is it. I'm going to cancel it because I'm not really sending that one out. I would just wanted to show you guys. All right. So the newsletter, get in there, play with them. You're not going to break it. Watch your wording, of course, if you're maybe have somebody proofread it. The other thing that eBay recommends is that you only do it every 15 days. And the reason for you're not going to be spamming your buyers, your followers, anything like that, because eBay actually regulates so people don't get too many of them, and they actually limit the number that are sent out. So buyer, so that's why your eBay box is not filled with spam from different sellers or from the same seller that keeps sending out newsletters. So you don't really have to worry. eBay has controls to do that, but they do recommend every 15 days that you do it because it kind of like resets so you don't keep hitting the same buyers over and over, or it's not getting sent to any buyers. So go ahead, get in there, play with it. Let us know in C Chats community if you have any questions or put a comment on this video, but go ahead. Get those cool items out in front of your buyers. If you're running an awesome promotion, this is a great way if you have an eBay store to go ahead and get that out in front of buyers. So give it a try. All right. Thanks.